Welcome to part 6. Today, let's add some visual magic to your videos using CapCut effects. First, look at the bottom menu and tap on Effects. Here, you will see two main choices: Video Effects and Body Effects. Tap Video Effects to apply cinematic overlays like leaks or retro filters to the whole screen, or tap Body Effects to add glowing lines, clones, or cool animations that track your body automatically. Adjust the duration on the timeline, and you're done. In part 7, we'll dive into filters. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Welcome to part 7. Today, it instantly changed the mood and style of your video using filters. First, look at the bottom menu. Slide to the right and tap on Filters. Here you'll find categories like Retro, Cinematic, and Nature. Tap on any filter to apply it, and use the slider at the bottom to make the effect stronger or more subtle. Tap the checkmark to save, and look at that cinematic difference. In part 8, we'll learn how to manually adjust brightness and contrast. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Welcome to part 8. Today, let's learn how to manually fix your video lighting and colors. Look at the bottom menu, scroll all the way to the right, and tap on single quotes. Adjust single quotes. To brighten a dark video. Tap brightness and slide it up. Next, tap contrast to make the colors pop, and use saturation to make the video look more colorful and alive. Tap the checkmark to apply. Look at that professional fix. In part 9, we'll look at controlling video speed. Hit follow and stay tuned. Welcome to part 9. Today, let's make sure your video fits your social media platform perfectly. Using the ratio tool, look at the bottom menu, scroll to the right, and tap on Ratio. Here, you can choose 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, 16:9 for standard YouTube videos, or 1:1 for Instagram posts. Simply select the format you need, and pinch the video to fill the screen. Tap the checkmark to apply. Now, your video is perfectly sized. In part 10, we'll learn how to blur or change the background using Canvas. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Welcome to part 10. Today, let's make your video look professional by adding creative backgrounds or blur effects. Look at the bottom menu, swipe to the right, and tap on Background. Here you have three choices. Tap Color for a solid backdrop, Style to pick a design template, or Blur to instantly turn those black borders into a smooth, blurry version of your own video. Hit the checkmark and look how clean that looks. In part 11, we will learn how to change video speed using curves. Subscribe so you don't miss it.